Most local services ad dollars vanish after the first call. Fix these 7 mistakes and protect your ROI. Here's what we will cover today. I will show you the 7 common Google local services ads mistakes that drain ROI, why they happen inside normal operations, and simple fixes you can put in place with clean systems and light automation. Imagine a local plumber who turns on Google's local services ads. The phone rings. 2 calls go to voicemail. 1 message sits in the app for 3 hours. Another lead is for a service they do not offer. Spend goes up. Booked jobs do not. Consider a med spa owner running local services ads for injectables. The profile shows few recent reviews. The service area is too wide. Calls arrive after hours and get no response. Prospects move on. The ads look expensive, but most of the loss happens after the lead lands. Local services ads, or LSA, are pay-per-lead ads at the top of Google. They work well when your targeting is tight, your response is fast, and your tracking is honest. If any of those 3 slip, ROI drains fast. Here are the 3 insights that prevent that drain. I will name each mistake as we go so you can spot it. Insight 1. Lead quality starts before you spend, inside your setup. Mistake 1. Service areas and zip codes set too wide. A broad map invites low-intent calls and jobs you do not want. Tighten your area to where you can win fast, then expand with proof. Mistake 2. Enabling every job type. When you check all boxes, you pay for low-value leads. Select only the categories and job types that match your best work and margins. Add more only after you see booked revenue. Mistake 3. Thin profiles and stale reviews. Your ad shows your rating, photos, license, and hours. A light profile or old reviews lower trust and position. Refresh photos. Confirm license and insurance. Ask for recent, honest reviews after every job. This is not about gaming the system. It is about showing real proof. Insight 2. ROI rises or falls on speed to lead and how you handle calls. Mistake 4. Slow response to calls and messages. LSA buyers expect a fast human reply. Think 60 seconds, not 60 minutes. If you miss a call, have a simple rule. 1 call back in 2 minutes. Then a short text that says you saw the missed call and can help. For LSA messages, assign 1 person to respond inside the app right away. Mistake 5. 1 and done follow-up. Many teams call once, then wait. People working with home services or med spas are busy. A clean cadence works better. Try 3 touches in the first hour across call and message. Then 2 more touches over the next day. Keep it short, helpful, and clear. Stop if they say no. Mistake 6. Treating LSA like regular pay per click. LSA is built around booked jobs and verified reviews. Inside the LSA dashboard, mark leads as booked or not booked. Request reviews through LSA after the job. These signals help your ad placement over time. If you ignore them, you pay more for the same results. Insight 3. Measurement and budgeting keep you from paying for waste. Mistake 7. Set and forget budgets and no dispute process. LSA can run your daily budget, dry on the wrong days and the wrong calls. Check your business hours in the platform. Align ads to times when you can answer quickly. Review lead recordings weekly. Dispute invalid leads within the allowed window. Examples include spam, wrong services, or outside your area. If you do not dispute, you pay for leads that never had a chance. These 7 mistakes look small on their own. Together, they explain most of the ROI loss I see. The fixes are mostly operational. They sit in your setup, your first minute of response, and your weekly review. Let me give you practical steps you can run this week. First, tighten your scope. Open your LSA settings and narrow your service areas to the zip codes where you can respond fast. Uncheck job types you avoid or upsell later. Save the rest for a second phase. Second, upgrade trust in 30 minutes. Add 3 clean photos of your team and work. Confirm license and insurance details. Turn on business hours that match when a human can answer. Send 5 simple review requests to recent happy clients. Keep the ask short and honest. Third, build a 60-second response system. Route LSA calls to ring 2 or 3 people at once. Use a missed call text back on your business line that says you saw the call and will call back now. For LSA messages, assign one owner to reply first and tag in backup if they are busy. A light AI voicemail or receptionist can help confirm service area and job type while you get on the line. Fourth, set a clean follow-up cadence. Try this simple pattern. Call back within 2 minutes. If no answer, send a short message. Try again at 15 minutes. Try again at 1 hour. The next day, one more touch with value. Then stop.